Earn money up to $15 in just 5 minutes. I'm going to tell you all the details in this video. Hello, what's up everyone? This is Rifat Abu Hassan from Life Solution Influencer. If this is the first time for you on my channel, we talk about online entrepreneurship, how to make money online and generate passive income so that you can have the lifestyle of your desire. And in this channel, I share with you some different ways of making money online and generating passive income. So if you are stuck financially and looking for ways to increase your income from home, then make sure to subscribe to this channel because I share with you here some valuable tips and information on how you can do that. And if you want to learn how to have a full-time passive income through the power of the internet, make sure to check the link in the description for a 15-day online business training. This is a hard to miss, totally free training, and it is my recommendation to you if you want to make a full-time passive income from home. And as a side bonus, I will send you my free ebook on the 7 most common online business models that you can start with today. So make sure to check that link for the 15-day online business training in the description below to get your free copy of that book. Now, with that being said, let's dive into the video. So today's video is about a useful application that you can easily make money with up to $15 per hour. And that application is called Spare5. So Spare5 is an application that pays you for completing micro tasks directly from your phone while on the go. So the main intention here is that you can use the time waiting in line or riding in the train or waiting for a friend to earn a bit of spare cash in your time. And I'm going to tell you guys all about this application, how much you can earn, how much time does it take to finish these tasks, and what are these tasks like. Spare5 is an international money-making machine application, means that you can use it outside of the United States to make money. So if you wanted to earn some extra cash on the go, the Spare5 application pays you to complete small and easy tasks directly from your iOS smartphone. So it's not yet available for Android devices. However, you can access the application from browsers of any Android device and also from desktop browsers too. How does it work? It's pretty simple and straightforward process. You first sign up for free, you get some tasks, you do the tasks, and then you get paid cash via PayPal. So what are you going to do? For example, in an audio file such as this one, you would assess the language. So you would talk about the toning, the meaning of the content, or the attitude of the conversation, or simply the content of the audio file. In case of an image task, you would do, for example, you would draw bounding boxes around the elements in the image, such as what you see here. So you would put box for water, for the roads, for the lakes, for the clouds, and etc., and describe what's where and where these are in the photos. A task can be also isolating elements, which is finding the edges of an object to help the computers to see what you see. Or it can be just simply providing keywords of an image, which helps companies to develop the algorithms to learn what a photo is about. Or it can be just simply by providing keywords for an image, which helps the companies to develop the algorithms to learn what a photo is about. And guys, these tasks would literally take 5 minutes or less to do, and hence the name of the application, Spare5. Which means you can do a lot of tasks per day to earn more money. So let's have a look at what someone has to say about using this application.
I've been using Spare5 for about 6 months now. Usually a few times a week, in the evening primarily after I've gotten home from work and had dinner and everything. Then I'm just hanging out on the couch and using Spare 5. My niche is the fashion tasks, which is primarily drawing little boxes around items. It's always been an interest of mine, and I like that I can help a computer learn what high heels are. I think that's really cool. I use my Spare 5 earnings and I donate them to a nonprofit I support. Spare 5 does it automatically, and you can choose a percentage of how much of your earnings you want to go to a nonprofit. I hope to be a Spare 5 user for a really long time. I think it's a really interesting app. I really like what it does. I love that it's helping machine learning, and I think it's a really good use of my time as well.
So when working with Spare 5, registration is completely free, as we mentioned, and they would not ask for your credit card information. The minimum cash out is $1, which gives you payout flexibility, and you get paid cash through PayPal, meaning that you actually earn cash with this. And also you can even earn further by referring a friend. Now, how much you can earn? Well, earning can range from $8 to $12 per hour, up to $20 per hour. But this amount you earn with Spare 5 is dependent on few things such as location, demographic, and time spent on the application. Many of the users who use Spare 5 app found that most tasks have a payout rate of anywhere between 1 cent to 20 cents for every task. Now, every once in a while, you will find a task that pays up to 50 cents per task. Also keep in mind that with all the tasks that are available, you can expect to earn at a rate of anywhere between $8 and $12 per hour. And for those who are extremely active and have experience performing tasks, it's not difficult to make as much as $15 per hour. Now, the Spare 5 app is a great way to earn some extra cash as a side hustle, but it won't replace your full-time job. So it might be worth it for those who need some extra cash and can spare 5 minutes or less of their time to do so. However, if you are looking for something that can pay you a little bit more, maybe something full-time, or maybe you are working in a job right now and wanted to get out of the rat race. Maybe you are tired of going to work and having somebody to tell you what to do and what not to do. And you wanted to work for yourself from home so that you can be close to your family. If you wanted to learn how to do that and create a full-time passive income, then check the link in the description below, and I will share with you my #1 recommendation program to make a full-time passive income online. It is what I do to generate my income, so check that link below and I will get you the information right away. I hope that you get a lot of value from this video. Hit that thumbs up if you do, and share the video with others so that they can get value from. My name is Rifat Abu Hassan, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.